Hello everyone. Today I am gonna show you how to build a character consistency in AI video generation. Today my topic is that how you can make your character, how you can build your character, which will be visible consistently throughout your video. So there is so many techniques for this purpose, but for the specific uh, purpose, one specific purpose today I am discussing here with you, which is that when we are trying to making a story, storytelling type videos, then this technique is very quite easy and effective for this purpose. Just like this, here you can see that in my one YouTube story, I need one character which has a 4 appearance in one video. uh, it's mean that in this story a one person visible 4 times or 4 different uh, parts of his life I want to show in the video. So for that purpose I need one character is a younger age when the correct my character in this story. This is a very because unfortunately, this story is a very popular of the 1994's story of the Indian person who is stuck in the Middle East, and he lived 2 to 3 years in a slavery, and India is also made a movie on this topic. So come to the our topic, which is that in this story I need a character which is when he go on the Middle East. He is approximately 23 to 25 years old, a young man, and when he uh, captured by a kafil and in the Middle East, then he spent three years in the desert. So in this condition in the desert, he spent his 3 years life in slavery. So I need a character where in this so similar like this character. So after when he killed his master, his kafil, and the police is catch him from the desert, and he lived in the jail. So I need a third character, a third appearance in which is in the jail. So I use this character for this time slot, and then the after he came back to the India, and current age just like 2015 or 2020, 2022 or 2023 like this. So I need a one aged man who look likes a uh, old man and similar to the younger age boy. So how I can make this one person to this kind of 4 different person? This is our today's topic. So first of all, you can I also told you you can you have so many techniques for this purpose, but in this case I use a chat GPT model for this to convert these persons to this. When I am trying to making this, which I will do, I am doing, I also made a custom GPTs or custom prompts I will make for my stories. When I go to the chat GPTs and I just put in the story for in my placeholder, and according to my training, ChatGPT give me the uh, cultural lock according to the story. He all you can see like here, like this is a Tamil Nadu young man. So when he go to the according to research, I know that when he go to the gone the yeah, Middle East, which he was there on that day, and after the locality of the Kerala, how pupils are wearing the clothes on this environment, and how looks like when he is in the jail, and how he look like the when in the slavery. So according to the story, my custom GPT, according to my training, it's automatically generate this kind of characters. But what you will do for this purpose? For this purpose, you must do first thing is that you go to your LLM model, which you are using. Maybe you are using ChatGPT, or you are using Gemini, whatever you are using. So first of all, you can go to the Gemini or your LLM model, and tell him I want to the character. And you must need your from the LLM, you need, what do you need? You need your character you want to make. uh, just tell him the model, my character is a boy or is a man, or you just tell him the what is your location and what age group you need. And most important thing what you are need in this step, you need a picture of a man who is standing, camera focus, camera focus, and full body view. This is the most important thing. Whatever you will write before this 2 3 words, whatever you will according to your character, what you will write before this, it doesn't matter. But after this, you need the prompt in which we have a character who is standing with toward the camera, and the visible full body visible in the pictures. And the last thing is that, which is also very important, which is that with white background, with white background. You need these things for this technique. So when you will get your character with this thing, just like this, when if I show you this, so you can see here, when I make this is the result of this my custom GPT train model. When I will put the story in here, he will give me the this result. In this result, I will get the complete demography according to my story, and I will get the character, and how many time and how many type of my character I will need for this story. So the my model will give me the this kind of data, or this kind of, in this story you will see that uh, you can see that my story, my model give me the overall location, overall cultural and geographical lock, and he is also give me the character visual bubble, and for a forensic paragraph lock. He also give me the, my model also give me the his expressions, his body tone, his language style, his talking style, his personality, his walking style, each and everything. And it's also give me the picture characters. It's also give me the person who is standing straight and camera focus. So here also give me like this. So I just, when I receive these prompts, I will just copy the prompt from here, and I will copy, after I copy from the here, I will go any text to picture model. Suppose let I try flow from Google, and I put the prompt here. So this model give me the character, my character, which is camera focus and full body, and this picture I will need for my picture consistency needs. So you can see that if I will give him this picture again to this model, and if I will tell him I need this person to the camera focus and stand up and focusing the camera, so it will give me the this picture to as my required. And when I will tell in the model, please remove the background from with the white background, so I will achieve the result which I will need. So after receiving this, I will give him the I can, what I can do, I can do this one thing. I will give him the character again, this character to the model, and told him, and I will tell him change into the younger man. And after, and with this I will also tell him the don't change the features of the face, just I need the character which is young, which is quite moderate outfit, and it will give me the picture which I can use as a younger picture. So gradually, same like this, I will after when I will get the picture which is a younger character, I will give him again and again, and receive my pictures which I will need for the third character, and same like this I will receive the picture for my fourth character. So this is the technique in which we can make the pictures like this, where my one character is a similar, but when I'm convert my pictures by giving my my previous picture, so it will convert the picture by outfit, but my main features of the personality of the character, which is a height, which is a body health, which will be remains the same. So it will also make the sense. Then the when we will see the broadened picture, then we will feel this is the same character. So this is a very short trick, and it's actually very not a very professional, or not a very high end result picture technique, but it's also is very popular in the mass production. And when we are trying to making a content with the with AI or AI content creation, when we are creating with the video with the AI generation, so it's not a big deal to use this type of technique for this purpose. So hope you are understand this technique. So for this specific purpose, there is so many other things where may be possible. Other in another video we will discuss this this kind this techniques too, but in this scenario, if when we are need one picture, one man in a different lifespans, so this is a very short and effective technique. With this we can achieve our result. So hope you are understand. If you have any question or query, so you can message me, or if you need the prompt to make this kind of characters, when we in which you can give your story to the model, and he will give you the it will give you the demography actual demography of your environment and your character. So you can message me, so I will give you the my prompt for, so you can use it for your custom GPT model and make this kind of ready-made ready-made uh, characters and overall video location and graphics. Yeah, just like this I am showing you the one picture again, so you can I will show you which kind of picture I am telling you you can make for this purpose. Which can make sense. You can see that. Yes, like this. This is I want to tell you on that time. In this picture you can see that the woman is standing toward the camera, and he is seeing in the camera, and background is the white, and we can see the features, height, body, face features, expressions, and his most importantly his outfit. When this picture entirely used in the overall video creation by picture to clip generation, so it when is this picture is used entirely or whole the video, so then obviously the consistency remains overall the video. So that's the reason when I am told you. But unfortunately when I make this pictures, I don't know, or maybe possible I will use the wrong I was wrong, I used the wrong prompts, that's why make and the model make this picture. But this is the right picture, this is the right way what I am telling you in this video. You first of all you make this kind of video, this kind of photo. Then if you need another version of this woman, so you can change according to the location, or according to the year, or according to the age. You can make this pictures again and again according to your story. Because suppose that if this woman is a doctor, or if this woman is a clerk in somewhere else, some industrial zone, so according to the location you can change his outfit, her outfit. Then you can see that the face is also remains, but the outfit is changed. So overall picture, overall video makes sense. And hope now you are understand very easily or correctly what I'm trying to tell you in this video. So thanks a lot. Keep learning and see you soon in another video.